everyone, welcome to another episode of Monday Motivation with Jayashree. Today is not just another Monday. Today I want to take you on a small journey through history, food, values and freedom. We Indians have always believed in the beautiful saying, Atiti Devo Bhava. The guest is like God. Hospitality is deeply rooted in our culture. We welcome our guests with love, respect, and of course, delicious food. And our food has always been one of India's greatest treasures: rice, dal, vegetables, spices, sweets, and so many regional flavors. But here comes an interesting lesson from our history. The British East India Company first came to India as a trading company. India was famous across the world for its rich spices, textiles, agriculture, whatnot. Yes, let us cut that. And on 15th August 1947, after a long and difficult freedom struggle and the sacrifices of countries, countless freedom fighters, India became independent. And today in 2026, we are celebrating the 80th Independence Day. But my dear friends, what does freedom mean to us today? Freedom is not only about waving the tricolor, freedom is also about having the courage to think independently. Freedom is about respecting others. Freedom is about educating ourselves and our children. Freedom is about doing our duty honestly. Freedom is about keeping our surroundings clean. Freedom is about respecting our constitution and our fellow citizens. And most importantly, freedom is a responsibility. Our freedom was earned through sacrifices. So, let us not ask only what has my country given me. Let us also ask what can I give back to my country. Fair enough, right? Maybe it is through our work, maybe through teaching, we can give something to our country. Maybe through helping someone, maybe through preserving our resources, preserving our culture, maybe through feeding someone hungry. Yes, of course, with love. Maybe through simply being an honest and responsible citizen. So, my dear friends, every small good action contributes to a stronger India, right? And that brings me back to our beautiful Indian food. This simple plate of rice, dal, vegetables, spices and salt represents something much bigger. It represents our diversity, different ingredients, different flavors, different languages, different cultures. Yet when they come together, they make one beautiful meal, just like India. Unity in diversity. So, on this Independence Day, let us remember our history, respect the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, and build a better future with our own actions. Let us remain kind but never weak. Let us remain humble but never forget our self-respect. Let us welcome the world but always remember the value of our own culture and heritage. And let us teach the next generation not only to celebrate Independence Day, but to understand the price of freedom. Because a country becomes truly strong when its citizens become responsible. This is Jayashree Adhyapak. Be proud of your roots. Learn from history. Live with values. And always keep moving forward. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Happy Independence Day to all of you. And as always, love you all.